Unlock a world of stable income and portfolio diversification by mastering how to buy bonds on Interactive Brokers. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account once you're in. Navigate to the trading platform. You can use either Trader Workstation or the Client Portal. Depending on your preference for this tutorial, we'll focus on the Client Portal for its user-friendliness. Locate the Trade button or the search bar. This is where you'll initiate your bond search in the search bar. Type the name or identifier of the bond you're interested in. This could be a specific company's name for corporate bonds, a government entity, or a municipal issuer. The platform will then display a list of available bonds, often with key information like coupon rate, maturity date, and current price. You can refine your search using filters for bond type, maturity, credit rating, and more. This helps you pinpoint the exact fixed income security that aligns with your investment strategy. Once you've found a bond you want to buy, click on its listing to open the order ticket. Here, you'll see detailed information about the bond, including its yield to maturity and callability features. Now, carefully enter the quantity of bonds you wish to purchase. Remember, bonds are typically traded in face value units, often $1,000 per bond. Next, select your order type for bonds. Common order types include market orders for immediate execution at the prevailing price, or limit orders, which allow you to set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Review all your order details meticulously. A circumflex euros, the bond identifier, quantity, price, and total cost. Confirm your order and submit it. Your bond purchase will then be processed by Interactive Brokers, adding a valuable fixed income component to your investment portfolio, ready to generate predictable income and enhance stability.